Forget expensive protein powders and complicated shakes that promise to protect your strength and vitality as you age. Today, we're cutting through the marketing hype to reveal something the multi-billion-dollar supplement industry desperately wants to keep secret. There's a handful of everyday natural foods that can instantly halt muscle loss, working faster and more effectively than any processed powder on the market. In fact, one of these incredible foods is so potent, it can begin reversing muscle breakdown within a mere 30 minutes of consumption. And the best part is, it often costs less than $2. Welcome to Senior Nutrition, your guide to real, practical solutions for healthy aging, where thousands of seniors have already abandoned costly supplements for simple, delicious, whole foods that truly make a difference in maintaining muscle mass and overall well-being. The pervasive narrative from the protein powder industry has convinced many that their manufactured products are essential for muscle maintenance in later life. We're bombarded with images of active seniors vibrantly enjoying shakes with the underlying message that these special formulas are the undisputed key to lifelong strength. However, what remains largely unsaid is that most protein powders are heavily processed, stripping away the very natural compounds that allow protein to function optimally within your body. These supplements are frequently loaded with artificial sweeteners that disrupt beneficial gut bacteria, synthetic vitamins that your body struggles to absorb efficiently, and isolated proteins that lack the crucial cofactors necessary for effective muscle building. Furthermore, a significant number of seniors experience digestive distress, bloating, and discomfort from these industrial food products, as the human body was fundamentally designed to thrive on whole, unprocessed foods that deliver a complete symphony of nutrients working in harmony to build and sustain muscle. The foods we're about to unveil don't just supply protein, they contain specific synergistic compounds that actively combat muscle breakdown, significantly enhance protein synthesis, reduce systemic inflammation, and provide the precise nutrients your aging muscles are craving. You won't find exotic superfoods harvested from remote, inaccessible mountains on this list. Instead, these are the nourishing staples your grandparents likely enjoyed daily, foods that have successfully sustained human muscle mass for millennia. Let's begin with arguably the most powerful yet largely overlooked muscle-saving food, ricotta cheese. Forget cottage cheese or Greek yogurt, ricotta holds a unique secret, making it vastly superior to protein powder for immediately arresting muscle loss, with effects kicking in within minutes of consumption. Ricotta boasts the highest natural concentration of whey protein among all whole foods. Crucially, unlike the denatured, processed whey found in many protein powders, ricotta's whey remains in its natural, undenatured form, perfectly encapsulated by the fats and minerals that are essential for your body to actually utilize it effectively. Upon eating ricotta, this natural whey protein rapidly enters your bloodstream, sending an immediate and powerful signal to cease muscle breakdown. What's truly fascinating is ricotta's exceptional richness in leucine, containing approximately 3 grams per cup. Leucine acts as the master switch for muscle protein synthesis, akin to an emergency brake for muscle loss. The instant leucine levels elevate in your blood, your muscles receive the definitive command to stop breaking down and commence building anew. But ricotta's muscle-preserving prowess extends even further. It's also abundant in albumin protein, the very same high-quality protein found in egg whites, yet in a form that is remarkably more digestible. Albumin possesses the highest protein efficiency ratio of any known protein, meaning your body can utilize nearly 100% of it for muscle building, an efficiency no protein powder can genuinely match. Additionally, the calcium present in ricotta comes in a unique form known as calcium lactate, which is absorbed far more rapidly than any calcium supplement. This vital calcium isn't solely for bone health, it is absolutely essential for proper muscle contraction. Without sufficient calcium, your muscles literally cannot function correctly, regardless of how much protein you consume. Ricotta's naturally soft, creamy texture and inherent digestibility make it exceptionally beneficial for seniors, particularly those with dental issues or swallowing difficulties, as it requires no mixing or blending and avoids the bloating or gas often triggered by protein powders, making it a delicious and versatile muscle protective treat. Now prepare for something entirely unexpected. The second food on our list that actively stops muscle loss isn't a protein source at all. It's watermelon. Yes, this sweet, quintessential summer fruit is, in fact, one of the most potent muscle-protecting foods you can possibly eat. And scientific research has finally uncovered precisely why. Watermelon contains the highest natural concentration of an amino acid called L-citrulline. Your body efficiently converts L-citrulline into L-arginine, which subsequently produces nitric oxide. While this might sound like complex chemistry, its implications for your muscles are profoundly simple and beneficial. Nitric oxide effectively dilates your blood vessels, facilitating a rapid rush of essential nutrients and oxygen directly to your muscles, while simultaneously flushing away metabolic waste products that contribute to fatigue and muscle breakdown. Studies have unequivocally demonstrated that consuming watermelon or drinking fresh watermelon juice can reduce post-exercise muscle soreness by an impressive 40% and accelerate recovery time by nearly half. This benefit isn't exclusively for athletes. It holds even greater importance for seniors whose circulation naturally experiences a decline with age, making efficient nutrient delivery and waste removal critical. Beyond its citrulline content, watermelon's muscle-saving power is further amplified by its high levels of potassium, an indispensable electrolyte for optimal muscle function. Many seniors suffer from potassium deficiency, which often manifests as muscle cramps, generalized weakness, and accelerated muscle loss. Remarkably, a single wedge of watermelon provides more potassium than a banana, along with an array of additional muscle-protecting compounds. Furthermore, watermelon contains lycopene, the potent antioxidant also found in tomatoes, but often in higher concentrations. Lycopene specifically safeguards muscle cells from oxidative damage, the cellular stress that significantly accelerates muscle breakdown as we age, essentially forming a protective shield around your precious muscle tissue. The natural sugars in watermelon also play a crucial role by replenishing muscle glycogen stores after any physical activity, from daily walking to housework, with the fructose component being perfectly designed for this purpose, while citrulline concurrently enhances recovery, making it nature's perfect recovery drink. Moving on to our third muscle-saving food, this one might surprise you with its sheer convenience: canned salmon, particularly wild-caught pink or sockeye varieties. It stands out as perhaps the most nutritionally complete muscle-protecting food you can readily purchase, and it's conveniently ready to eat straight from the can. A small can of salmon with bones typically delivers a robust 25 grams of complete protein. However, protein is merely the starting point of its benefits. The abundant omega-3 fatty acids in salmon, specifically EPA and DHA, perform a remarkable feat for aging muscles. They actually enhance your muscle's sensitivity to protein. This means you effectively build more muscle from the same amount of protein intake when your body has adequate omega-3s. Research consistently shows that seniors who regularly consume omega-3 rich fish experience significantly less muscle loss and exhibit superior muscle function compared to those who do not. These omega-3s work at a cellular level to reduce inflammation, fostering an environment where muscles can genuinely thrive instead of wasting away. However, the true hidden gem within canned salmon lies in its soft, edible bones. These often overlooked bones are densely packed with calcium, phosphorus, and vitamin D, forming a powerful trifecta of nutrients critical for muscle support. The vitamin D in salmon is in the highly bioavailable D3 form, identical to the type your body synthesizes from sunlight, and it is absolutely crucial for maintaining muscle strength and overall function. Canned salmon also contains astaxanthin, the potent compound responsible for salmon's distinctive pink hue. Astaxanthin is recognized as one of nature's most powerful antioxidants, possessing a special affinity for muscle tissue. It actively shields muscles from exercise-induced damage and accelerates recovery, even from the rigors of daily activities. The convenience factor cannot be overstated. No cooking, no elaborate preparation, and minimal cleanup. You can enjoy it directly from the can, mix it into a fresh salad, or mash it with avocado on whole grain toast. Its long shelf life allows for easy stocking up, and at approximately $3 per can, it often proves more economical per serving than most protein powders. An additional advantage for seniors is that canned salmon is pre-cooked during the canning process, rendering its protein more digestible for those with potentially reduced stomach acid and completely softening the bones for safe, easy consumption, providing concentrated nutrition. The fourth food on our list has faced more vilification and vindication cycles than almost any other, but scientific consensus has finally settled the debate. Whole eggs, including the yolk, are unequivocally one of the most anabolic, muscle-building foods on the planet. Eggs trigger the muscle-building process far more effectively than isolated protein powders. Groundbreaking research from the University of Illinois revealed something profound. Individuals who consumed whole eggs after exercise built an astonishing 40% more muscle than those who ingested the exact same amount of protein derived solely from egg whites. This clearly demonstrates that the yolk contains intricate compounds that significantly amplify muscle protein synthesis in ways we are only just beginning to fully comprehend. Eggs boast the highest quality protein score of any whole food, with a biological value of 100, signifying that your body can utilize virtually 100% of the protein in eggs for muscle building. But the benefits extend far beyond just protein quality. It's about the complete nutritional package that eggs provide. The yolk is a rich source of vitamin D, now widely recognized as vital for robust muscle function. It also contains choline, a nutrient crucial for facilitating proper communication between your nervous system and your muscles. Furthermore, vitamin A, essential for effective protein synthesis, is also found in the yolk. When you discard the yolk or rely solely on protein powder, you are inadvertently missing out on these critical muscle-building cofactors. Eggs also contain unique leucine-rich protein clusters, naturally occurring protein structures that are demonstrably more effective at initiating muscle protein synthesis than an equivalent amount of isolated leucine found in supplements. This serves as yet another powerful illustration of how whole, natural foods inherently outsmart their processed alternatives. A practical tip to maximize eggs' muscle protective power is to consume them with vegetables. This combination can increase the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins from the vegetables by up to 7